In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you create a consistent character into your Leonardo AI. And in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Leonardo AI application. And after opening the application, just simply go to image generation section, and after going into image generation, you will get this page right here where you can choose this style into very top, and after that you can create your prompt. But before writing down your prompt, you have to tap into this add button, and then you can choose image which you would like to use in order to create consistent character. For me, I'm choosing this picture right here. Now I can replace it, but I'm using it right now. Now you also have to select your picture which you would like to make a consistent character. Now you can choose the strength of the consistent character. It will determine how consistent your character will be into that picture. Now I'm selecting the strength around 70 in here, and after that go back and write your prompt now. Then tap to the send button, which will cost you 13 tokens in your Leonardo account, and it will start creating different image with the same consistent character into your Leonardo AI. You just simply have to wait for a while for the result to be created in here. And as you can see here, since I don't have a strong prompt, it is not creating anything different in mind, but you can easily use this method in order to create a consistent character into your Leonardo AI. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.